Hello everyone, this is Roja and I'm working as a training coordinator at SAP Netizens. Today we are going to discuss about the SAP car training and how this SAP Netizens deal with this course and what are the queries you have. Before going in detail about the SAP car training, let us have a look about the SAP Netizens. SAP Netizens creates an innovative training solutions when it comes to provide online trainings in varied SAP functional models. Our subject matter experts help trainee in all aspects of IT industry technical and bringing awareness to enrolls by guiding them with our technical advanced team by providing online trainings to make everyone to top class competitors to get well established in their required form. Our online courses includes training in all latest and complex SAP functional models, and most complex ERP systems can be made easier to understand and explore new technologies. The special SAP training classes includes extensive training on all models that are presenting in SAP functional side. Our trainers are certified professionals of their performed field and are considered as experts of their domains. The training provided by them is in the most interactive and in a virtual way, which makes it even most easier to understand things much easier through their tried and tested interactive training methods. Well, now let us have a look on SAP training introductions. SAP CAR is a foundation that collects transactional data that was previously spread over multiple independent applications in diverse formats. Repository provides a common foundation and a harmonized multi-channel transaction data model for the all consuming applications. Retailers can use SAP CAR to gradually transform their systems and spaces from the traditional database technology to the revaluatory and in-memory data space technology. Well, now let us have a look on SAP CAR online training course content that we are going to conduct in our training process. Firstly, introduction about the SAP CAR and architecture solutions and POS data transfer and added overview and the basis. ERP and CRP integrations. SAP CAR analytics for the multi-channel sales, analytics and inventory analytics on shelf availability, demand data foundation and unified demand forecast basis. The summary. These are the topics we are covering in our training process. The overview for the SAP CAR. Before implementing of SAP CAR, the business customers have to decide how the main components of the product will be deployed in their system's land base. With the invention of SAP Customer Activity Repository, it has to got various deployment options which result in different system land-based architectures. Each of these architectures has both advantages and disadvantages. Therefore, it is up to the customers to decide which deployment option for SAP CAR best suits for IT and business needs. Enroll for SAP CAR training to know more about information. The CAR is mainly intended to help retailers establish the foundational data that can be used for the better understanding of customer demand and predict future buying behavior. SAP CAR has features such as real-time visibility into the consumer sales data down to the transaction. These levels are intended to enable retailers to better understand what, when, and where customers will make purchases. With SAP CAR, you can increase promotions and assortment effectively. It allows to personalize marketing for higher sales and leads to simplification of your IT landscape by minimizing the data replication. As a part of SAP CAR, you will see how SAP CAR is considered as foundation that collects transactional data that was previously spread over the multiple independent applications in the diverse formats. SAP HANA is the underlying in-memory technology of repository which responds to the analytic requests on huge amounts of data in real time to give the insight into the sales performance and consumer behavior across all the channels by enabling new processes and integration with all parties. The services public car. Empower your customer data. SAP car application to help companies collect, cleanse and centralize all customer related data across all channels in real time for analysis and makes it ready for the consumption by the other applications. As a result, we can create highly accurate demand and trend forecasters across access real-time inventory data and offer customers a consistent These are the services for the SAP car. And our SAP CAR solutions includes the following features like POS data transfer and edit, multi-channel sales analytics, and inventory visibility analytics, on-shelf ability. These are the features for the with SAP card. The benefits with the SAP CAR. Understand your customers' buying behavior and start your digital transformation with a pre-configured solution for an accelerated implementation. Get a consolidated view on sales from all channels, inventory and customer transactional history with pre-built easy-to-use analytics. Optimize your location product mix by adding the SAP HANA assessment planning for the retail repaid deployment solution based on SAP HANA for SAP with SAP car. These are the points we are covering in our training process in detail. Before ending up the sessions, let us have a look on the page for the SAP CAR. This is the web page for the SAP CAR. These are here you can find anything about SAP car. Here you can directly request a demo with your details and send to us, or else you can directly leave a message with your details and send to us. You can directly reach us at www.sapnetizens.com/SAP car online training. You can email us at sapnetizens@gmail.com, or you can directly call us at 8121020366. Thank you so much for spending your valuable time with us. Have a good day. Bye.